Valerian root, derived from the Valerian officinalis plant, has a rich history dating back centuries. Used since ancient Roman and Greek civilizations, it was a remedy for sleeplessness. Its calming properties were recognized long before modern medicine. From ancient Greece to traditional Chinese medicine, its efficacy in promoting relaxation and improving sleep has been valued. Cultures worldwide have turned to this herb for its gentle yet powerful effects on the mind and body. As modern science delves deeper, we continue to uncover the scientific basis for its traditional uses. Valerian root's power lies in its unique chemical makeup. This ancient herb has been used for centuries, revered for its calming and soothing properties. But what exactly makes valerian root so special? The answer lies in its complex blend of active compounds and antioxidants. The root contains active compounds including valerianic acid, isovaleric acid, and antioxidants. These compounds work together to create valerian root's unique effects. Valerianic acid and isovaleric acid are particularly noteworthy for their roles in promoting relaxation and reducing anxiety. Valerianic acid interacts with the brain's neurotransmitters, particularly GABA. GABA, or gamma-aminobutyric acid, is a neurotransmitter that inhibits nerve transmission in the brain, calming nervous activity. GABA plays a crucial role in regulating mood and promoting relaxation. When valerianic acid increases GABA levels, it helps to soothe the mind and body, making it easier to unwind and de-stress. By increasing GABA levels, valerianic acid contributes to valerian root's calming effects. This is why valerian root is often used as a natural remedy for anxiety and sleep disorders. Isovaleric acid, known for its distinctive odor, adds to the relaxing properties. Though its smell might be strong, its benefits are even stronger, working in harmony with valerianic acid to enhance the overall calming effect. Antioxidants in valerian root protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals. These antioxidants help to maintain overall health and well-being, making valerian root not just a remedy for the mind, but for the body as well. Understanding these compounds is crucial to comprehending valerian root's effects. Scientists continue to study these elements to unlock more of valerian root's potential benefits. Further research promises to reveal more about these compounds and their contributions. As we learn more, we can better harness the power of valerian root for various therapeutic uses. The synergy of these elements makes valerian root a multifaceted remedy. Whether used in teas, tinctures, or supplements, valerian root continues to be a valuable natural resource for promoting relaxation and overall health. In today's fast-paced world, a good night's sleep can often feel elusive. Valerian root offers a natural solution to combat sleep difficulties. Studies have demonstrated its ability to reduce sleep latency and improve sleep quality. Unlike many pharmaceutical sleep aids, valerian root does not typically cause next-day drowsiness. Its active compounds interact with GABA receptors, promoting relaxation and reducing anxiety. Valerian root may also increase serotonin levels, regulating sleep cycles. Its ability to lower cortisol levels further contributes to its sleep-promoting benefits. By mitigating stress, valerian root helps create an environment conducive to restful sleep. Anxiety can significantly impair our quality of life. Valerian root offers a natural approach to managing anxiety symptoms. Its ability to modulate GABA activity in the brain promotes calm and reduces anxiety. Research supports valerian root for anxiety relief, showing effectiveness in reducing symptoms. Unlike many pharmaceutical anxiolytics, valerian root does not typically cause drowsiness. Its ability to reduce cortisol levels further contributes to its calming effects. By mitigating the physiological effects of stress, valerian root helps interrupt the cycle of anxiety. Valerian root promotes a sense of calm and control, enhancing overall well-being. Boosting brain power, valerian root, and cognitive enhancement. Valerian root, traditionally recognized for its calming effects, is gaining attention for cognitive enhancing properties. This ancient herb, often used to alleviate anxiety and promote relaxation, is now being studied for its potential to boost brain function. Its ability to improve sleep quality plays a significant role in cognitive function. Quality sleep is essential for the brain to process and store information effectively. By enhancing sleep, valerian root helps the brain to consolidate memories and improve overall mental clarity. By promoting restful sleep, valerian root enhances memory consolidation and learning. Students and professionals alike may find that better sleep leads to improved focus and retention of information, making valerian root a valuable tool for academic and work-related performance. Valerian root's anxiolytic effects may also contribute to cognitive benefits. Reducing anxiety can lead to a clearer mind, allowing for better concentration and problem-solving abilities. This makes valerian root not only a sleep aid, but also a potential enhancer of mental performance. Reducing anxiety levels creates an optimal mental state for cognitive tasks. When the mind is free from stress, it can operate more efficiently, leading to improved productivity and creativity in various tasks. Preliminary studies suggest valerian root may improve reaction time, attention span, and memory recall. These early findings are promising, indicating that valerian root could be a natural way to enhance cognitive abilities without the side effects associated with some pharmaceutical options. More research is needed, but valerian root shows promise as a natural cognitive enhancer. Scientists are continuing to explore its potential, and future studies may provide more concrete evidence of its benefits for brain health. Incorporating valerian root into a holistic approach may support brain health and cognitive function. Alongside a balanced diet, regular exercise, and mental stimulation, valerian root could be a valuable addition to a regimen aimed at maintaining and enhancing cognitive abilities throughout life. A woman's friend, valerian root for menstrual relief. Menstruation can be accompanied by discomfort and pain. Valerian root offers a natural approach to managing menstrual discomfort. Its muscle-relaxing effects help alleviate menstrual cramps. Valerian root's ability to relax smooth muscle tissue reduces the intensity of cramps. Its anxiolytic properties help manage emotional fluctuations during menstruation. Valerian root stabilizes mood and reduces stress during this time. Incorporating valerian root into a holistic approach may provide effective relief from menstrual symptoms. Heart health harmony. The benefits of valerian root. Maintaining a healthy heart is essential for overall well-being. Emerging research suggests valerian root may offer benefits for heart health. Valerian root's ability to lower blood pressure supports heart health. Its stress-reducing properties may indirectly benefit heart health. Chronic stress is a known contributor to heart disease. By mitigating stress, valerian root helps create a heart-healthy environment. Some studies suggest valerian root may improve cholesterol levels. While not a replacement for conventional care, valerian root's potential benefits make it a valuable addition to a holistic approach to cardiovascular well-being. Incorporating valerian root. Finding the right form for you. Valerian root is available in various forms, each with its advantages. Capsules and tablets offer a convenient and precise dosage. Teas provide a soothing, sleep-promoting effect. Tinctures offer a potent dose and are easily absorbed. Essential oil can be diffused for relaxation and improved sleep quality. Choose reputable brands with high-quality ingredients. Pay attention to dosage recommendations and start with a lower dose. Assess your tolerance and adjust as needed. Consult with a healthcare professional to determine the best form for you. Valerian root safety, precautions, and potential side effects. Valerian root is generally considered safe for most adults. It has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for various ailments, particularly for its calming and sleep-inducing properties. However, like any supplement, it is important to use it responsibly and be aware of potential side effects. Mild side effects may include drowsiness, digestive upset, and headaches. These effects are usually temporary and may diminish as your body adjusts to the supplement. If these symptoms persist, it is advisable to consult with a healthcare professional. Avoid driving or operating heavy machinery after taking valerian root. The sedative effects can impair your ability to perform tasks that require full attention and coordination. Consult with your healthcare provider before use, especially if pregnant or breastfeeding. The safety of valerian root during pregnancy and lactation has not been well studied, so it is best to err on the side of caution. If you have liver or kidney problems, consult with your healthcare provider. Valerian root may affect liver function, and those with pre-existing conditions should be particularly cautious. Valerian root may interact with certain medications. It is important to discuss all your current medications with your healthcare provider to avoid any potential interactions that could affect your health. Start with a low dose and gradually increase as needed. This approach helps your body to adjust and minimizes the risk of adverse effects. Always follow the dosage instructions provided on the product label or by your healthcare provider. Discontinue use and consult with your healthcare provider if you experience adverse effects. monitoring your body's response to valerian root is crucial to ensure it is safe and effective for you. Embrace the power of valerian root. A natural path to wellness. Valerian root stands as a testament to the power of nature's remedies. Its ability to promote sleep, alleviate anxiety, and enhance well-being makes it valuable. Whether struggling with sleep difficulties or seeking overall well-being, valerian root offers a gentle approach. Embrace this ancient herb and embark on a journey towards greater health and vitality. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click the notification bell. This helps my channel. I have an excellent source if you are interested in buying this product. You can see the link in the comments below the video. Thanks. Hope this video was informative.